Hey everyone, Namaste. Welcome back to Curries to Cakes. Today I'm going to show you this ancient kharda recipe which almost every household in India makes it. So the main ingredient of this kharda is fresh turmeric. You can also use turmeric powder, but fresh turmeric is more beneficial because most of the turmeric powder which we get in the market is adulterated. So try and use fresh turmeric, which is easily available nowadays in many Ayurvedic shops. So you can call this kharda as turmeric tea as well. Since the monsoon season has begun and many of us are susceptible to cold and flu, it is better to improve our immunity and get prepared to fight these viral infections. And also the whole world is fighting against the COVID pandemic. So this Ayurvedic kharda doesn't completely cure anything, but it helps prevent. So nothing bad in having this and improving our immune system, right? So let's see the recipe of this amazing kharda. To make this kharda, you require ginger, which is about 3 inches, fennel seeds 1 tablespoon. You can replace this with cloves of 1 teaspoon, cinnamon about 2 inches, 7 numbers of basil leaves. You can also use tulsi, black cardamom 3 numbers. You can replace this with green cardamom as well. Black pepper 1.5 tablespoon, fresh turmeric about 4 inches. The turmeric has compounds called curcuminoids, the most important of which is curcumin. So the curcumin is the main active ingredient which is found in turmeric. This curcumin has powerful anti-inflammatory effects and is a very strong antioxidant. But unfortunately, this curcumin is poorly absorbed into our bloodstream. So we need to consume piperine or piperine, which is found in black pepper, along with turmeric. Also, studies say that piperine enhances the absorption of curcumin by 2000%. Now crush all these dry spices using a mortar and pestle. We need to crush them slightly so that the maximum absorption takes place. Now chop the ginger and turmeric into small chunks and crush them as well. You need to be aware that your hands will stain with the turmeric, and also if you're using a stone mortar and pestle, even that will stain. But don't worry, you can soak your hands in lemon water or vinegar water for some time and then wash it off, it'll go. So apart from adding turmeric into your food, which is a very little amount of course, you can include this turmeric tea or kharda in your diet plan to increase the amounts of curcumin that is going into your body. Now add this crushed turmeric into hot water. I have taken around 2.5 liters of water into a saucepan. Now bruise the basil leaves and add it into the water. Add in the crushed dry spices as well and give it a quick mix. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, then please do subscribe and hit the bell icon beside so that you get notified as and when I upload a new video. Now bring this to a boil on high heat. Once it starts to boil, turn the flame to medium-low and simmer this for about 20 to 30 minutes. Almost half a liter of water will be evaporated and you will get a nice concentrated liquid. See this nice golden color. Now switch off the stove and strain this into a glass. Also, curcumin is a fat-soluble compound, so you can have this turmeric tea after a fatty meal, or even you can add a little bit of ghee into this turmeric tea and have it. So this recipe serves 5 people. For more information, please check the description box below. You can add a teaspoon of honey or even a tablespoon and give it a mix. This is although optional. And that's it, your daily dose of turmeric tea is ready. So definitely make this and enjoy its benefits in the longer run. It's not only healthy but also a tasty drink. So try to replace this turmeric tea or kharda with your regular tea or coffee. So thank you for watching and see you in my next video.